Hello, this is John from Currencis. This is our 308th weekly report. We covered the pound dollar, had 22 signals for a net 185 pips. If we wouldn't have traded non-farm payroll Friday, which we suggest that you do not trade, but some of you do, we would have had 305 pips for the week. We lost 120 on that particular day. We had the euro dollar, 15 orders or 15 signals for 279 net pips. The dollar CAD, we had 11 signals for plus 93. And we had the dollar Swiss franc, which did virtually nothing. We had 11. Euro dollar short, pound dollar shorted at 61.08, euro dollar shorted at 37.45. Of the short or the long dot on the euro dollar, covered our order, went long. First order covered at 37.31 for a plus 15 pips. Our second order on the euro dollar we covered at 37.58, validation plus 27 pips. We had a MACD cross here on the first order of the 61.08, covered that for 28 pips on a MACD cross. Now we're in a breakout long. Obviously we ignore the black dot. We are in a black dot short on euro dollar, which validated. Nothing on the CAD, nothing on the Swiss franc. We had a second dot on the euro dollar short. It validated at 37.62. Still long on the pound dollar. Obviously the original dot that was there before did not validate, so it went away, and a possible dollar Swiss franc breakout at 9,300. Candle rule at a -1 pip, and our second black short we got stopped out at a -30 pips. We're still in long on the breakout of pound dollar. As you notice, the dollar Swiss franc 9,300 breakout did not validate, went away, and we have a possible short on the CAD validating at our CAD short trade validated. We're still in the pound dollar breakout. We've moved our stops up. Now we're in a CAD breakout short at 97.35. Here we would have covered our short on the CAD, giving us a plus 26 pips on that particular trade. We do not worry about this black dot if we are in this breakout trade, because our rules say not to worry about this particular dot, but we did cover it based on our red short. Had our first dollar Swiss franc short trade. The pound dollar long with trend. Also we had a 314 EMA cross for 123 pips on our original breakout down here at 61.27, covered at 62.50 for 123. Now we're long with trend. We'd have covered our first short dot here at 1 pip. 5 to 10 candle rule, 10 candles plus 1 pip. Still in our pound dollar blue dot. Gray dot short, validated 38.22. You have a management decision on this blue dot here. We've been in this trade for a while. It is marginally into profit. We covered this particular long at 62.70 for a plus 20 pips. We also did get a MACD cross, so either one rules would apply here. The gray dot after 8 candles, we covered for a break even, 5 to 10 candle rule. Typically we say hold the gray dot for no more than 5 candles, if not into profit. We held it a little bit longer, but as you see, you could have made a few pips on that particular trade. We chose to hold on a little bit and broke even. On our breakout on the CAD at 97.35, we had an EMA cross at 97.12 for a plus 23 pips. We have a reversal on the pound dollar, validation 67.08. I also have a black dot short, 62.97 validation. Possible short gray dot, validation 38.21. Reversal and also the black short. Covered our gray short after 8 candles at a break even, 138.22. We have a blue dot now with trend, 138.33 validation. Frank long, 92.97 black dot. We're still in our 2 pound dollar pound or pound dollar trade. We had a MACD cross here, close candle, plus 26 on the reversal and plus 15 on the black dot. Closed our black long on the dollar Swiss franc at close of candle on the eighth candle, 5 to 10 candle rule at plus 8 pips. We also have a breakout on the dollar CAD, 97.44. We have a reversal dot validation at 63.12 on the pound dollar. Gray dot validation 62.81. We're still in the reversal. We're still in the long breakout on the dollar CAD as well. Black dot validation 92.92 on dollar Swiss franc long. Still in the breakout long on the dollar CAD. Still in both orders of the reversals, the reversal and the gray dot on the pound dollar. Covered our long breakout after 20 candles on the dollar CAD. On the pound dollar, black dot long, both covered the reversal and the gray dot short. The reversal was worth 68. The gray short was worth 24. Dot validation opposite direction. We have a red dot short on dollar CAD or dollar Swiss franc validated, and we also have a gray dot on the euro dollar long. We had a MACD cross on the pound dollar for a minus 10 pips here. MACD crossed out at a minus 10. We also have a MACD cross on the dollar Swiss franc. Takes us out of our red short at a breakout short on the pound dollar, 62.25. Reversal signal on the euro dollar, 37.55 validation long. Breakout short on the pound dollar, closed at candle close on the 20th candle for a break even. Have a breakout long on the pound dollar, 62.98. Euro dollar, 138.12 long. We have a validation on the gray dot short, which takes us out of our reversal for a plus 84. We ignore it for the breakout per our rules. We are still in the pound dollar, and we just got a short on the dollar CAD. Also a long on the dollar Swiss franc. 5 to 10 candle rule on the dollar Swiss franc, covering that at a minus 16 pips. Still in the other orders. Have a blue validation, blue dot long, pound dollar, still in the euro dollar short, or excuse me, long breakout, and CAD short. Covered at 38.65 for a plus 53 pips. We had a 10 candle rule on the blue dot long, 11 pips, 10 candle rule. Took the euro dollar short black after we covered here. 5-10 candle rule, euro dollar, covered that short at a plus 3 pips, 38.59. Also covered our CAD short breakout for a minus 3 pips, 20 candles, went short again, 97.27 validation. Both pound dollar and euro dollar with trend validation, 2 dots. Possible short on the dollar Swiss franc. Covered the dollar CAD, 5 to 10 candle rule, 10 candles, plus 5 pips. Out of the dollar Swiss franc, 5 to 10 candle rule at a break even. Also per 5-10 candle rule, we hung out long enough on this particular trade here. We took a minus 10 pip loss, but anytime in between here you could have gotten out. Also on the euro dollar here, we took out at break even. Again, anytime within that first 10 pips or first 10 bars, you could have gotten out at a break even or plus a few pips. Blue long, 38.59 validation. Dot validation and a breakout here. 76 pips on our blue dot long, and breakout long 38.92. Ignore the reversal on the breakout. Also, we have a Swiss franc breakout 9,300. Black long on the dollar CAD, 97.25 validation. Dot validation on the dollar CAD takes us out, goes short for a plus 11. Have an EMA cross on our breakout, went into profit, plus 41 pips, EMA cross. Also have a yellow dot short on dollar CAD plus the black short. We had a 314 EMA cross on the dollar Swiss franc at 93.13 for a plus 13 on our breakout. Blue long on the euro dollar, validated. Black dot validation covers those two orders at a plus 12 and a plus 6 on the dollar CAD. The blue dot plus 13 pips out of our CAD trade for a plus 5 to 10 candle rule, 10 candles. The pound dollar, black long on the dollar Swiss franc. Stop out on our first breakout, pound dollar minus 60. Breakout long, pound dollar. 5 to 10 candle rule on our dollar Swiss franc minus 13 pips. We have a red and yellow short dots on pound dollar. We were stopped out again on our long on this candle here. Makes 120 pips lost on pound dollar because of blue dot long euro dollar. Covered both the red dot and the yellow dot, 5-10 candle rule at 10 candles. Red dot short was plus 5 pips, yellow short was plus 8 pips. We had a MACD cross on our blue dot for a plus 13. We had a gray dot that is still open on the dollar Swiss franc, and a short red CAD also open.